What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And we definitely got that breakout out of the symmetrical triangle that I was talking about yesterday, guys, with a nice indication play right here, as well as even other indications that I don't have listed up right here. Right prior to this movement, guys, just some excellent trades, guys. Let me know if you caught that in the comments. And guys, I want to show you another potential pattern which I found out which could yield an excellent breakout and indication play even, or even some pattern opportunities. I want to show you guys exactly how to take that trade on your favorite exchange. And for those of you who haven't signed up to the student program yet, guys, it's just something you have to experience at this point. We're actually almost at the halfway mark, nearing 50 students that have signed up. That means I'm almost nearing 140 students overall. We have probably about 40 to 60 active, some people fluctuating around. Schedules get busy, I get it, guys, but let me just be transparent here. I can only handle 25 a month. If you guys want to get in the program, you got to sign up soon. And not only that, but once we hit 50 signups with the website, I will be doing a giveaway for all of this, or well, one lucky student will win $250 just for having signed up, guys. That's an excellent thing. And guys, if you want to discover financial freedom, this is how you do it, guys. I want to talk about a few other alts today, guys. If that sounds good to you, subscribe and like. I'm going to dive right into the price action. And if you haven't signed up using my links, you can save up to over $7,000 in bonuses just by using all of these links right here. And be sure to follow me on each of my social platforms. I do crypto-related information that is pertinent, time-sensitive on each platform that you guys just can't miss. Okay, guys, so let me just show you what I'm working with real quick. I'm actually going to be going over the pool pretty soon, and then I got some more students lined up for the afternoon. It's just a busy day. It never ends with Crypto Matrix over here, guys. Epic times. So let me just show you what I'm working with here. So sometimes when we have a lot of patterns within patterns going, let's just talk about those before we actually dive into some of the meat and that pattern that I was talking about. So for instance, we had the breakout of the symmetrical here. Indication play did come a little late here, but for instance, you could have pulled up, let's just say the Bollinger Bands even, and notice all the bounces off the bottom band. And as soon as we started to reach up through this resistance, you could think, hey, we're going to cross, and then we got a breaking of the median and the crossing of the 7 and the 20. Just excellent, guys. Right up into a nice little double top, nice little breakdown into a little double bottom. Guys, we're kind of just teetering around back and forth, guys. Lots of indications here. Remember, look for the volume when you're looking for a movement, guys. Excellent opportunities. Okay, let me pull down the Bollinger Bands, clean this up a little bit, and then let me show you the bigger pattern which I found, guys. I'm going to turn this off just so it really stands out at you. So guys, what do you just clearly see right here? I clearly see this very clear as day. We have another big symmetrical playing out as we speak, guys. This has to be taken into account. Okay, let's just draw this out. I'm actually going to make that a nice light blue. Okay, remember to color coordinate your charts is extremely important. And guys, that's even why I'm pulling it back like this. So for instance, a lot of people are asking, do you measure from back here or do you measure from right here, guys? So for instance, since we actually measured from back here, I think we're going to take it, let's see how it looks first. See how it looks. Okay, so that gives us a pretty wide berth. So for instance, if we actually did it from right here, you know, we are looking much tighter. Okay, guys. So something I like to do when we're doing measurements is take both of these measurements, okay? Because the reality is when we measure a symmetrical from all the way back here, I mean, those targets are massive, guys. Even based on the size of patterns, that's a pretty big target, okay? And with the volatility we're dealing with, for instance, we are in a mini accumulation phase. We're not getting as volatile movements. So these big target projections are not as relevant. What do I always say? The time it takes to get there, the size of the pattern, extremely relevant to its target projection. Okay? So these are the two things that we are forced to look at right now. So for instance, let's just make this actually let's just say a different blue. Okay, just a different blue. Okay? And then we have the polar bottom, the polar top, and then the immediate pattern. So for instance, the medium pattern, large pattern, medium pattern, okay? And it just depends on how you want to read this. But guys, just in simplicity, we break the resistance, you go long, we break the support, you go short, and if we end up going long, you ride it up to this potential resistance right here. But guys, let's just check something out real quick. I mean, we do have many immediate resistances right here. So that's definitely something that I'm looking at, guys. And basically, if we break out of that pattern, we'll retest right there, probably get a little sideways movement, and then either an upward movement or a downward movement. Remember to play your indications in combination with your patterns and patterns to make your entries a reality, guys. Something that I've learned is very helpful is an understanding in the price action. The more you can understand the more this becomes a reality for yourself. And guys, that's exactly what I'm looking at there. And what's really nice is we have flipped above the 200, the 55. That's a good sign, guys. Let's see if we can actually get this breakout to the upside, or we get rejected by all this resistance, start pulling down. As you guys can clearly see, we're getting that lull. Another moment is coming soon. You know how it goes. Spike, sideways, spike, sideways, spike, sideways, especially in the volume. That's what we're talking about right now, with the volume. All right, guys, let's talk about a few other coins right now. Let's talk about Link, actually. This has just caught my eye right now. We just broke back above $20 there, which means we have broken out of the symmetrical finally. Okay, guys, just epic. And this does need to be tightened up a little bit there, right there. And look how perfect that looks. Guys, this is what I love about technical analysis. It's just a beautiful thing. Let's just talk about this last pattern right here. So we obviously had a nice little chain here. I'm just going to draw that out real fast. Okay, make that nice and white. I'll move this over a little bit so you can see it a little better too, guys. Okay, so a nice little descending wedge. Okay, nice chain right into next wedge. Okay, and we're possibly going to be retesting right now as we speak. A nice little sweet spot right there, and then we got the indication play. So pattern play, indication play, and that's more than a trifecta, guys. If you missed this trade, I mean, my gosh. When you see all the indications lining up like this, you must take the trade. Set your stop loss at the previous retracement. Money all day, guys. It's easy. It's easy. I make it easy. Let's go. Okay. Break out of this pattern. Technically, the target projection for this is massive. Okay. We'll even. The reason I didn't measure it all the way back here, guys, this pattern is extremely long. It takes some time to get to that actual target projection. We've broken out right here. We could easily be retesting around $26. Okay. I'd say, if the bullish momentum continues, I mean, we could be looking at it probably around 14 days if I had to guess, okay? So guys, let's be real. I've been talking about an August recovery. Let's see if that happens. I know I put out a vibe and people are thinking it's July. Guys, let's see what happens. Wyckoff could actually play off. If that does, that will pull all the coins in that direction, including Link, especially Link. And guys, you know I'm a massive Link holder. Every dollar it goes up is massive for me, so just epic times, guys. Epic times. Let's talk about a few other coins here. What do you guys want to talk about? Let's talk about mana. This has actually gotten a big movement in the last couple days. For instance, we've actually pumped up about, from that bottom there, 71%. That's massive, guys. I really like this project. And yeah, guys, I took profit way up here. That's why I have it checked up there for you guys. Okay, my gosh, when you get the bump trend pushing off, you have no excuses not to take profit in my channel. Okay, I basically spoon feed exactly when to do it. Okay, so anyway, we do have a pattern we just broke out of here. We had a very clear as day wedge. Okay, broke out of it to the upside. And what's really interesting is those ascending wedges do tend to break to the downside, guys, but that's the reality. We're kind of nearing trend. Remember, the trend is your friend until the end, so we ended up breaking to the upside, guys. And we got the widening of the EMAs. I mean, we could pull up the Bollinger Bands for reference. I love them. Okay, notice the breaking of the median, same time as the EMAs crossed, and then an upward movement, guys. Just incredible. Okay, that's the beauty of this technical analysis. It's just amazing. When you apply my new edge theory to it, it's just incredible. Okay, mana is going to have some epic times, guys. Remember, as we get out of this kind of mini accumulation phase, for instance, we go to the BLX chart, and like I said, this could last months. So let me just actually draw this out for you. I don't have it on this chart right now, but from the top to the bottom, and I was talking about July, August. Okay, so let's just have some fun here. My birthday is August 19th. Okay, I don't think it'll happen on that exact date, but either way, let's just draw this out. Let's have some fun with this here. Make the background nice and orange too. Make it a nice light transparency so it's not too overbearing. Remember, guys, you want your charts to really pop at you. Okay, guys, so that's what I'm anticipating for just a little tiny accumulation phase there. And yeah, it could be a little longer, guys. It definitely could be. It could be like right here, anywhere in there. But either way, we're going to break this channel one way or the other. We're either going to break it to the downside or we're going to break it to the upside, guys. And what's really nice is if it does break to the downside, we do have an uptrend right here, which is continuously moving up, okay? Which will push this price, hopefully, as we start to recover up and out either way. And I think we're in a very just good place, guys. This retracement is very healthy. I mean, this is good. We didn't hit the top logarithmic band. I could pull that up just real quick for you guys to show you that. Okay, we never hit it. Okay, we never hit that top logarithmic band. Okay, guys, that means this cycle is not over, no matter what. I don't care what anyone says. This bull cycle is now confirmed. A super cycle, elongated cycle, could be easily over 700 days, 752 to be specific. Okay, guys, there is not a doubt in my mind we are hitting over $100,000 as this peak out. Now, without a doubt, I'm extremely excited, guys. This is about to be life-changing for me and many who have followed me, my students. My gosh, this is going to be huge, guys. I'm going to be contacting the news. It's going to be crazy. So that's definitely what we're looking at in general, guys. Lots of coins we're to be paying attention to and accumulating in these stages, guys. I am buying every single dip. I suggest you guys do the same. And guys, for those of you who have not signed up to the student program, it's just incredible. Something you guys just have to experience. You can make your payments so easily. PayPal, Venmo, a litany of coin options. And guys, I also have now added the downloadable course. So if you want to download my patterns reference and just how I do my patterns specifically, not that book learned stuff, okay? This is how I do it, how I make my reality happen. And guys, I'm so happy to finally release this to you guys. And just for transparency, this is half off right now, okay? This is massively discounted. Guys, this is something you want. It literally shows you exactly how to do the patterns, just like I do them and how I tackle them, okay? And you have up to 14, but to be transparent, guys, I'm always gonna be adding to these courses. And yes, the price will coincide with the actual editions, but guys, understand, this is how you make this a reality for yourself. And guys, if you want to go the extra mile, the student program is for you. 100% success rate, guys. We just have a blast over there, guys. And if you haven't checked it out, check these reviews. This is actually incredible. I couldn't believe some of these reviews when I read them. I mean, I am not, even me, guys, I am not used to this kind of just happiness and love. This is amazing, guys. But you know what? When you're teaching people financial freedom and they're really doing it, it changes their lives. It makes them so happy, guys. This has been such a reward for me. I can't wait to meet many more of you and help you guys discover financial freedom. Guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrency, I make it as easy as riding that wave. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.